Hey everybody, we are on, what are we on, day 4? Day 4. Today we are going to see the spider monkeys and sloths and iguanas. We're super excited. Abner here is our host today. Say hi, Abner. We are gonna go do this fun interaction and then we're gonna head back to the boat, hang out for a bit, and tonight is late night sewing. So see you on the flip side. Signing our lives away. Hey everybody, that's a wrap for day 4. We had our late night sewing. It's about 1:30 this morning. We were only planning to be out until about midnight, so we were having a lot of fun though. Everybody's kind of delirious and that's great. Hope you guys enjoyed our projects. I'm really excited to see everybody's finished mermaid pouches. There's clips just back up a little bit, you can see them. Tomorrow we are supposed to be in Costa Maya and I cannot wait. We're going snorkeling, kayak beach time. I'm really excited, I love my kayaks, so come back tomorrow to see us then. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna keep my tiara on while we're snorkeling, but we'll see how it works. Maybe I'll just secure it a little bit more. All right, until then, day 5 tomorrow. See you then.